Okay, this is my unboxing video for Run Livingston. Okay, it's very exciting. So we got these from Appin back in March. They're now going to be used for the October event. If I can get into it. So originally we had these for the April event, but Ben and I had a bit of a mix-up with the venue. And
sorry, I didn't find a group or device named found.
I wasn't talking to you. Oh my goodness, they wrapped this well. Love Appin. As you can see, I'm wearing my Appin Jamie's Monroe Challenge hoodie because she's out there right now. Well, she's having a nap. She's done 62 Monroes so far. 62 out of 282. Appin were kind enough to sponsor her and provide some kit. Ooh! Wow! Look at these! This is so exciting! So if you've ordered a t-shirt and you're doing Run Livingston in October, this is what you're going to get. How good does that look? And look, I remembered to put the logo on, which I didn't remember last year. Look at that, we were on events. Yay! People know who we are. Thanks, guys.